He dug his claws into the tree, bit it, pulled it, but the heavy log did not move an inch. Shrew tried and tried, but failed miserably. Exhausted, he sat down. The other animals began whispering and looking disappointed. Then Badal slowly walked to the riverbank. Without saying a word, he wrapped his strong trunk around the tree and, with steady strength, pushed it away. The water began to flow again, and the animals cheered. Badal turned to Shrew and said gently, "Strength is important, Shrew, but it is useless without wisdom and patience. Even the strongest need others, and even the smallest deserve respect." Shrew lowered his head in shame, realizing how proud and arrogant he had been. From that day on, Shrew became a little more humble and began treating others with respect. Moral of the story: pride can blind you to others' worth. True strength lies in wisdom, patience, and respecting everyone, big or small.